Hi everyone, hope you've had an opportunity to check out the Tunes Tuesday playlist on my YouTube channel. I will put the playlist link in the description below. I hope to upload a video of creating a composition using AWS DeepComposer every Tuesday. Recently, AWS released a new feature to train custom models, and I will train one model for each genre in this video. The first option is to use either MuseGAN or UNet as a generative algorithm to train a model. I will put the links to the articles about both algorithms in the description below so that you can gain in-depth knowledge about them. I will choose MuseGAN as a generative algorithm for my models. Both architectures use a simple convolutional neural network as a discriminator. I will choose Symphony as a genre for my dataset. Hyperparameters are the parameters that determine how the training is performed and cannot be changed once the training has started. I will leave the default values for all the hyperparameters. I will enter Demo Symphony as a model name and provide a brief description. I will click on Start Training and pause the video while the model is training. The message displayed here shows that the training of a generative model can take up to 8 hours, so I'll resume once the training is complete. It looks like the model has trained completely. Let's go ahead and click on this model. Here's the basic model configuration. Here are the hyperparameters we trained the model with. And it looks like there's some exciting features that will be released soon. So I look forward to these features. I will go ahead and train other models for different genres of datasets. I've completed training models for different genres in AWS DeepComposer. I've used the same model configuration for training all models except for the training dataset. I will use these models for creating more videos for my Tunes Tuesday playlist in the future. Thanks for watching this video.